Hello there, today we will see how you can automatically send emails to your agents when a ticket has been created from your ELEX WSDesk plugin. So without further ado, let's go to our test site and understand the process in a step-by-step manner. As we can see, we have already installed the ELEX WSDesk plugin on our site. Also, you have to configure SMTP on your site so that outgoing mails can be sent from ELEX WSDesk plugin. Furthermore, we have assigned one agent, namely ABC, to our ELEX WSDesk ticketing system. Next, to set up automatic emails, let's go to the settings page of ELEX WSDesk plugin. Once you are in the settings page, then go to Triggers and Automation. Triggers are a set of instructions which will be executed when a required set of conditions are met. To create a new trigger, click on Add Trigger. Now add the trigger name and create the condition ticket is created. Then set the action as email to agent. Also, if you like, you can set up the triggers for admin, ticket assignee, or ticket raisers. One more cool feature of the plugin is that you can customize the automated mail and email subject and add the details by using tags. Not only that, you can also edit the whole body of the email. Now click on Save Changes. You can see a new trigger has been created. Now activate the trigger. Let's go and create a ticket and check if the trigger is working or not. As you can see, we have created one new ticket. Now let's go and check if an email has been sent or not. As we can see in our email log, an outgoing mail has been sent our agent ABC. Hope you have understood the process. If you have any further queries, then send an email to our support team by following the link provided in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.